Everyone, welcome back to it. Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be doing a brief oven baked fish recipe for you guys with fish that I caught yesterday from my fishing trip. Alright, I had already went ahead and did all the necessary stuff. Get my bell pepper, my onion. Didn't have any lemon, so I just substituted it with lime. Now I'm gonna just coat this with some olive oil. So just gonna coat it with some olive oil. I wish I had one of those spray. Oops. While I do that, I just set the oven. So now what I'm gonna do is just place the fish on the platter. I always season up my fish in advance, or my meat should say in advance. And as I said, these were freshly caught by me yesterday. So now I'm just gonna add it to the oven. I also added some cherry tomatoes. So now to the oven we go. So in 20 minutes you'll see me again. Okay guys, there's the finishing product. I want to thank you guys for all your support. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell.